Hey y'all, Lawrence here at Peak Design headquarters in San Francisco. And you may or may not recognize the Peak Design travel tripod. I've got it in carbon fiber and aluminum here. Now, it's got travel in the name, but I'm gonna take a few minutes and explain how these things have been absolute game changers around the house. If you're doing content creation, whether that's stills or video, with a big full frame or mirrorless camera, this tripod is awesome. It's got incredible articulation with a single adjustment ring at this ball head here. Additionally, the legs deploy really flat if you want to get a low point of view, or invert the whole neck and you can do stuff straight down or at ground level if you're doing macro photography. Some other stuff we've been doing: time lapses, self-portraits, long exposures, stop motion, you name it. There's a ton of awesome content just waiting to be made right around your house. And with this tripod, you can make some rad stuff. Speaking of rad stuff,
just ride the barrel and get pitted, so pitted like that.
The other way I've been using this tripod is for video conferencing. The travel tripod with its integrated mobile adapter means that I've got the absolute best viewing angle for my mobile device, whether I'm sitting at the desk, in a chair, on the couch, out on the front porch. It's a totally hands-free solution that puts your cell phone exactly where you want it to be. And that all comes right out of the box. It's included with the travel tripod. Something else that's cool is that you can orient it and get your cell phone in portrait mode if that's important to you. With the phone like this, you can quickly just do some texting or your Discord or whatever right on the phone right there. It's pretty sweet. Additionally, this aluminum tripod has our ultralight conversion kit on the feet, which removes the bottom leg sections and makes an ultralight tabletop tripod out of your travel tripod. It's a great accessory around the house right now for all of the stuff we just talked about. For more information about the travel tripod, check out our longer travel tripod instructional video here on YouTube, or head over to peakdesign.com. Thanks.